Hello friends, welcome to the TYBCA class. Myself Archana Mogal from KTHM College Nasik, Department of Computer Science. I am going to teach a paper of soft computing. First, we will discuss the syllabus structure of this paper. This paper is choice-based optional theory paper. The course code of this paper is BCA 507. Total credits for this paper is 2, and all of you know that the examination scheme of university, that is internal exam is for 15 marks and external exam is for 35 marks. That means the total marks for this paper is 50. The prerequisite for this paper will be required that all the students should have the knowledge of set theory. That means you must have the knowledge about what is set, empty set, universal set, set relation, set entities, set operation. You have to familiar with the set. Now, and the objectives of this paper is to learn the concept of the soft computing. What is computing? What is soft computing? Goals of soft computing, aims of soft computing. Then understand the different soft computing techniques like genetic algorithms, fuzzy logic, neural networks and their combination. Now we will discuss about syllabus. In Unit 1, we are going to discuss some introductory part of soft computing. In that, we will discuss concept of computing, what is soft computing, types of computing, importance of soft computing, goals of soft computing, history of soft computing, different soft computing techniques like genetic algorithms, fuzzy logic and neural networks, and then application of soft computing. In Unit 2, we will discuss about the fundamental of fuzzy system. In first chapter, we will see the basic definition of fuzzy sets and its terminology, for example lambda cut, then member functions, what is membership function in fuzzy set, then fuzzy logic and its relation, then extension principles and its problem. In Unit 3, we will discuss fundamentals of evolutionary computing. In that we will discuss evolutionary algorithms, what is encoding, operators of genetic algorithms and its problem. Last one is Unit 4, and in that we will discuss fundamental of neural network. Some introductory part is there, then model of artificial neuron, architectures, then learning methods, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and then perceptron and backpropagation. These are some reference books suggested by university. Neural networks, fuzzy logic and genetic algorithm by PHI publication. Then neurofuzzy system, then fuzzy logic with engineering application, introduction to soft computing and elements of artificial neural network, etc. You can refer any book from this. Today I will start our first chapter, first unit, that is Introduction to Soft Computing. In that we will discuss some topics, that is concept of computing, types of computing, hard computing, soft computing, and then difference between the hard computing and soft computing. first we will see what is computing. All of you are familiar with this word, that is computing. Computing means calculating. The discipline of the computing is the systematic study of algorithmic process that describes and transforms information, their theory, analysis, design, efficiency, implementation and application. When if you give our input to the computer, then computer processing that input and gives the output. That processing means computing. Types of computing. Hard computing, there are two types, hard computing and soft computing. Hard computing is a deterministic approach and it is based on solid binary logic which is easy to understand and explainable. Before soft computing, there is a traditional approach used in computing which needs an accurately stated analytical model. It does not work on mathematical model of problem solving. Hard computing is suitable for mathematical problems. Although it might be used to solve real world problems, it consumes a large amount of computation time and cost. Soft computing is a probabilistic approach and it is based on heuristic programming, fuzzy logic, neural networks and probabilistic reasoning. Now we will see hard computing. What is hard computing? Hard computing is a traditional approach proposed by Dr. Lotfai Zade. Hard computing is very accurate and certain. Hard computing works on exact input data. It performs sequential computation. Applications of hard computing are mobile robot coordination and forecasting combinational problems. The examples of hard computing is solving numerical problems and searching and sorting techniques. In that, hard computing is used. Then, soft computing. The term soft computing was proposed by the inventor of fuzzy logic, Dr. Lotfai Zade in 1981. Soft computing deals with approximate models and gives solutions to complex real-world problems. The aim of soft computing is to exploit the tolerance for imprecision, uncertainty, approximate reasoning, and partial truth in order to achieve close resemblance with human-like decision making. Soft computing is an approach that gives an impression on the human mind to the reason and learns in an environment of uncertainty and impression. The cost of the solution also very low. In this kind of computing, it forms the basis of considerable amount of machine learning techniques. It is used in handwriting recognition and data compression and image processing. Soft computing deals with approximate models and gives solution to the complex real-world problems. Now we will see difference between hard computing and soft computing. Here is some difference. Hard computing depends on conventional computing, while soft computing is advanced to hard computing. Hard computing based on binary logic and CRISP system, where soft computing based on fuzzy logic and probabilistic reasoning. Hard computing works on exact input data, where soft computing works on noisy and ambiguous data. Hard computing performs sequential computation, where soft computing performs parallel computation on the data. Hard computing provides accurate results, soft computing provides approximate results. There are so many differences between them. Now we will discuss brief history of soft computing in next lecture. Thank you.